All right, today is June 8th, 2021. We are doing our one box absolute baseball break number 1. Got our box here and our dice for our random. Gonna pull up our list of names again, 3 teams per spot. So we got the list down to Anthony I. So it goes Anthony I to Anthony I. We got Anthony I, Justin H, Jacob C, Nathan A, Damon P, Justin H, Michael G, Michael P2, and Anthony I. Anthony I, Justin H, Jacob C, Nathan A, Damon P, Justin H, Michael G, Michael P2, and Anthony I. Anthony I, Justin H, Jacob C, Nathan A, Damon P, Justin H, Michael G, Michael P2, and Anthony I. This is the names. Diamondbacks down to the Nationals. Pull that off the screen. Gonna roll our dice for our randoms now. Any dual autos rammed off at the end. I don't know if there's any in absolute, but better safe than sorry. Here we go. 2 and a 4. 6 times. Starting with names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final. Anthony I down to Jacob C. 6 times. Anthony I down to Jacob C. Diamondbacks down to the Nationals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final. Lock them in. White Sox down to the Yankees. 6 times. White Sox down to the Yankees, sorting by name. Drop trades down below. Both parties must confirm. If they do, we will switch those up. Yeah, we'll just blame it on Carl. All right. Here we go. Anthony I, White Sox, Tigers, Cubs, Royals, Braves, Indians. Damon P, Mets, Angels, Marlins. Jacob C, Cardinals, Padres, Yankees. Justin H, Rockies, Athletics, Mariners, Giants, Brewers, and Rays. Michael G, Twins, Rangers, Dodgers. Michael P, Pirates, Orioles, Astros, Phillies, Red Sox, and Nationals. And Nathan A, Blue Jays, Reds, and Diamondbacks. He's on the bust list. Carl's bust list is 100% proven. Backed up by hard evidence. Mikey, let me see. Twins, Rangers, Dodgers. You got pretty good teams. The Dodgers have like quantity. You can get a lot of cards from the Dodgers probably. Twins have Kirilloff as a rookie, and the Rangers have... Who's the Rangers this year? It was, I think, maybe Tejeda. I'm missing one. Oh, Tavares. I don't know how he's doing, but that's a... You know, Mike, I'm going to be honest. They're not. But Jacob deGrom's the best pitcher in baseball, so you got that going at least. All right, looks like we're good on trades. Pull that off. Empty inner. Carl's always trolling. Empty box. That was pretty entertaining, I'm not gonna lie. For anybody that doesn't know about that one, we hit a Lawrence auto out of 10 last night out of contenders, and we pulled it, and Carl said he was a bust. Yeah, Whit Merrifield, Corbin Burns, Tyler Glasnow, Trevor Bauer, Nelson Cruz, Shohei Ohtani, 146 of 199 foil. Got Power, 15 of 149, Jose Abreu insert. There is one more. Prospect Wander Franco going to the Rays. Royce Lewis, nice one, 4 of 99. 4-color patch. With the 2 pinstripes, you can see that one over there. Nice one going to the Twins. And then Tools of the Trade, Trent Grisham, patch auto, 2 of 25. Nice hit for the Padres. 2 2-color patches. That is a nice one. Very nice start to our break. Let's keep that going. Grisham had a great start to the year. I think he's still doing solid, but he definitely slowed down. Empty box. Trey Turner, Tony Lazzeri, Tim Anderson, Alex Bregman, Juan Soto, 26 of 149 blue. How's it going, Cheryl? Rookie class, Casey Mize, 23 of 25. Nice hit for the Tigers. He's been doing good. I've followed a little bit of his game. Prospect, Spencer Torkelson. Going to the Tigers again. Rookie class, Christian Pache going to the Braves. What's going on, Francis? Kyle Zimmer. Wow, a nasty patch. 7 of 10 going to the Royals. Nasty patch. That is awesome. And Joey Bart. 45 of 50. Signed bat relic. Man, this absolute is super fun to rip. Nice hit for San Francisco. Signed piece of the bat. That was a super fun break. Congrats to all of our hitters. We're going to get those shipped out as soon as possible. This will be uploaded later. Thanks to everybody that hopped in.